Guys, I'm back here with another video. Before we get into this, I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm super excited that you decided to subscribe to my channel. We're almost to 2K, so be on the lookout because I am doing a 2K giveaway and I'm super excited to give out all these products. So if you're not subscribed, make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the giveaway, and we can just get right into this. So today, as you can tell by the title, we will be reviewing this hair by AliiSpark. They are an Amazon vendor, and this is their 22-inch water wave hair. This is a 4x4 closure. It comes pre-plucked, and it's 180% density. I will be showing you guys how I installed this hair with no baby hairs. I really want to go for like a more chill look. I always do dramatic baby hairs or just baby hairs in general. I've never tried to look without baby hairs, so I really want to go for a nice, chill, like long hair type of style. The hair is pretty long. It comes down to like my belly button, right above my butt. I'll show you guys a better video, maybe on the screen or on the side somewhere. But that's basically all the main details on this hair. Continue watching if you want to see how I installed this hair and got it to look like this. So this is the hair after I washed it, blow dried it, and straightened it. I'm trying to show you guys how it looks in its length. The ends look a little bit thin. That's why I said it's not true 180% density. And this is how the inside of the wig looked. It has two side combs, one back comb, and it has a middle comb. That's how the 4x4 closure looks, and that's the clean part in the middle that was already there. I'm putting the wig on my head now and just fitting it to my head. Originally I was going for a side part, but I didn't really like how that looked, so I ended up doing a middle part. So this is how the front of the lace looks. Those little flyaways are the baby hairs that were already in the wig. I ended up just pushing everything back because, like I said, I just didn't want to do a look with baby hairs, but I really wanted to give a close-up look of how the lace looks. If you see me look to the side, I'm looking at my mirror, and if you see me look up, I'm looking at the TV, just because I was looking all over the place in this video. Next, I'll be going in with my Got to Be gel and Got to Be free spray to apply this wig. I didn't want to use lace glue for this because I just wanted to be really simple, and plus a lot of the lace glues make my hairline break out, and I just don't like that. So I only went in with one layer of the gel, and then I'm going to go in with the free spray. Like I said, I'm keeping this really simple, so it's very beginner friendly and easy to follow. And one thing I didn't mention, but you probably noticed, is I did add my contour shade to the lace. I actually used my cream contour shade on the lace. I just like how that looked better. It looked more natural. 40 minutes making art. So I just blow dried the lace until it was nice and dry, and now I'm showing you guys the length. This is where it falls in the front, and this is where it falls in the back. It falls right before my butt. Some of it even touches my butt, but it's like the very tip of it that touches my butt. And then I'm going in with my hair wax stick, and I'm just slicking everything down. As you can see, I'm still kind of trying to do this side part, but yeah, I'll get to a point where I'm just not feeling it. And then I'm using my hot comb to just make sure that all the hairs are laying down. It had a lot of flyaways, so I did this process about 2 to 3 times to get all the flyaways to lay down. You don't want to use too much of the hair wax because your hair will begin to look greasy and just not it. So yeah. So after cutting off the lace, I'm going in with a tissue with alcohol on it, which was a big mistake because tissue got all over the sticky part of the lace, and I just had to clean it up with a towel. And then I went back in with my contour shades to just blend it in that lace so that it's matching my skin tone. And as you can see, I'm not feeling the side part. I don't like this side part. So I'm basically looking for the middle part that I knew was already in the middle of the hair. So I'm looking for that, and once I find it, then I'll start to flatten down the hair so that it looks really nice as a middle part. So at this point, you can see I used a little bit too much of the wax on the side that I was trying to flatten the most, and it's looking a little streaky, and I'm trying to just flatten it and get it to lay down. See, one side just looks really flat, and the other one just looks streaky and very bumped, and I don't know why it wasn't getting flat, so I just went in with my flat iron to kind of straighten it out. And if you don't have this flat iron, you are missing out. This flat iron does magic. It is the best. I tried it the first time when my sister had it. It's the Kapowski straightener. Any of those straighteners is bomb. My sister has two of their like pink straighteners, and once I saw the way it flattened my hair, I was like, I need one of these. I need one of these. I'll get you one. See, here it looks flat. It was still kind of streaky on that side, but I'm feeling it. It looks nice. It's giving what I was kind of expecting, and yeah. So even though the lace actually looked really good at this time, it was giving sculpt, I decided to go in with my elastic band and just tie it really tight so that it can, you know, melt into my skin. So this is the outcome of how the hair looks. Let's start with pros. I like the length of the hair. I really like it. I feel like it's true 22 inches. The hair is really soft and it takes heat very well. the closure. I am starting to really love closures. I just really love how they pluck the closure and it's just already nice and clean, so I don't even have to worry about getting, you know, a super perfect part. They already got the part in there for me. It was pretty plucked, but I believe that you could probably pluck it a lot more if you want to look more natural, whatever. I just decided to leave it like this. Closure also took the bleach really nice. It was easy to bleach the closure so that it was closer to my skin tone. My cons for this hair is it's not true 180% density. The hair is very thin in my opinion. I plan on adding some more bundles in the back of this because there's space in between the tracks, so I plan on sewing some more bundles inside so that it's fuller. But I just don't really like how thin it is. I just feel like it could be thicker. Another con is the shedding. So when I took out the pack originally, I ran my hand through it and a big chunk of hair came out. I don't know what that was about. Then I decided to wash the hair because it came with a smell, which is another con. I washed the hair because it came with a smell and it was all this shedding. I'll insert a picture somewhere on the screen of the shedding because I decided to take a picture of it so you guys can see what I was talking about. My last con is it says that it's a water wave, but it's definitely not. It was giving body wave, and that's why I decided to straighten it. I normally don't like to straighten water waves because it reminds me of my 4C natural hair and the process is longer. So the fact that I was easily able to straighten this tells me that it was definitely not a water wave. This was a body wave. They might want to correct that. The wave pattern was not like tight and wavy. It was definitely like a body wave. I don't know if I'm explaining this the right way, but those are my pros and cons on the hair. Overall, I would rate this hair a 7. I took some points off for the shedding, the thinness of the hair, and then them calling this a water wave and it was definitely a body wave. Come on now. But the hair is affordable, so I believe that you get what you pay for. So yeah, I did not purchase this hair. It was given to me by the company, but I really do like it, and I will be rocking it for like maybe a week or two. I don't know, I always say that and I'm switching my hair out. But yeah, if you would like to purchase this hair, all the information will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my 2K giveaway. I'm really trying to get rid of these goodies, so can y'all hurry up and subscribe so I can be out? I'm trying to be out. But that's all. Make sure to put your post notifications on so you don't miss out on all of this. And as always, remember to be beautiful and love yourself.